Toys fans, you're back in the toy barn. Happy Friday to you. I am taking a quick walk over to the barn. We're going to talk a little bit about what has gone on today. It's been crazy. I can actually show you through here. If you kind of look up, it doesn't look like much in the sky right now, but we have had some terrible storms this morning. And because of those terrible storms this morning, while I was at the office doing my thing, Darren said there was a power outage, and that power outage has taken up till basically now, which is in the afternoon, to get things going. So that made Friday, as far as for us on his end, got the bird there, a little bit crazy. So he had been just now started listing. He's taking photos, and then we ended up having quite a few sales, not only on eBay but also Madcap Toys Plus and Vintage. So on a Saturday, I'm going to have to wake up early and do an early morning trek to the post office and possibly to FedEx. So it's going to be pretty crazy. Sorry about that. I'm going to shut this door real quick. So it's going to be a fun morning, to say the least, on Saturday. I'll put the air conditioner off. So it's been a little bit crazy. So this is not going to be one of those average videos that you see from us. Again, just had come home from the office and have the hair and the makeup is not quite there. Just have been so busy. So we just now got the power back on. But I wanted to take a minute to say, guys, we're still here, and just wanted to show you a little bit about what we have been doing as far as organization goes as of late. Before I do that, this is exactly the car that I need to pick up that Darren had sold on the regular Madcap toy store this week. It's a Hot Wheels 1998 First Editions Mustang Cobra. So really, really nice. So that is already going into the We Found It pile, ready to be shipped. And as we're strolling by here, this is where the Ellie shelf is, and I hope and pray that it's not too dark for you guys. But we have just been getting ready to, and have been stripping down Ellie shelf 1, 2, and now we're currently on 3. So as you can see, there is some space. So Darren has opened up some space, and we are hoping to get, before long, working on Ellie shelf 4, where you can see some space as well, but to get some Q4 toys filled up in these spots of brand new toys to sell for the Christmas season. So pushing a lot out, which is great. I actually sold a Viewmaster Discovery Endangered Species set today. So a few toys in the bag. As also you could see the Hot Wheels from earlier. But yeah, we are trying to also condense, maybe get some of these dolls and games here, over here, where you see the Twister and all of that, and the Our Generation dolls, basically squared up together to where we can have some space to put some newer toys. And right from the model shelf 2 area right here, we sold a Star Wars Battlefront Disc 2 from Vintage. So if you guys haven't listed on Vintage yet, let me know in the comments below. We've been having a little bit of success there on the site for over the last 2 weeks. Haven't had any issues yet. I've had folks in the reseller community say, hey, you might want to be cautious, because there have been some people that have been banned or blocked as a seller for different things. So far, so good here. But, you know, yes, I am being careful, but we have had several sales there, including yesterday. So continuing to find all of those sales. But, yeah, model shelf 2, we've been getting, since we've reorganized and put a lot of media here, has been really pulling out some sales. As you can see, Darren has some space now all the way up here to be able to add some CDs. So note that, Darren, we can do that for sure. So that is very cool. And then also he has some space over here, a little bit, not a lot. They're on model 4 and model 5. And then if we kind of come down over to Kathy's shelf 2, I think Darren does have a Charlie Chaplin, sorry about the dark, the Charlie Chaplin DVD that I'm going to need to look for in just a few. So some media there that we've got to find, and things on the Kathy and the model shelf as well. and getting up to that. But I wanted just to share with you guys a little bit about what we were doing. Let me know in the comments below too. I've got a question for you. So it happened on the reseller community about eBay feedback. Do you guys really look at eBay feedback when it comes to a buyer? I know there had things been changed in regards to eBay stepping things up and going from there. In regards to eBay feedback, a lot of people say if it's around 100%, they don't look at it at all. Of course, if it's lower than 99.5%, they may look into it. If it's just anywhere from shipping late because of weather, what have you, they don't worry about it. Or if there's only like one or two there, they're not worried about it. If it's a high load of negative feedback and or neutral, and it's because of shipping and received in bad condition as far as the item goes, then they kind of walk away. So let me know in the comments below what you think about eBay buyer feedback. We would love to hear from you. All right, I think I found it over here. Boy, did I get lucky. I tried to look at it through another pile and it wasn't happening. So thank goodness I found it here. Looks like the back's a little bit bent there. Hopefully I can straighten that out. But this is exactly what I was looking for, was the Chevrolet pickups manual. And if you guys see these in yard sales and stuff, pick them up, because if you can get them at a good price, people still use these manuals for the older cars. Glad I found this one, and I'm going to get ready to pack this one up. All right, guys, so I have a little bit more to find in here, but not much more. The camera is starting to act up, unfortunately, starting to get low on battery, and I think we're in due for another storm. So I'm going to cut it out of here today, and I promise on Monday it'll be totally different and back to normal. But I wanted to make sure I said hello today before the weekend. You guys have a super fantastic weekend, and until next time, bye-bye.